Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the document and turning the feature on. This is where the process actually starts. Once done, choose the language and confirm the dictionary so suggestions match your writing. You should add names or technical terms to a custom dictionary to avoid false flags. Make sure autocorrect preferences are set to your comfort level and test with a short sentence to see if underlines and suggestions appear. That confirms the checker is active and ready to help. You now review the suggestions the checker offers, evaluating each in context. Click or right-click the underlined word to see options and decide whether to accept the correction, ignore it, or add it to your dictionary. This prevents repeats. Once you accept changes, scan adjacent sentences because context-based tools may adjust punctuation or capitalization too. If your document is long, run a full scan so the checker reevaluates style and repeated errors across the entire file, improving consistency. You finish by doing a final manual read-through to catch meaning issues the checker missed. Automated fixes help, but do not replace judgment. If the tool stops showing suggestions, make sure the document language matches the checker, confirm no conflicting plugins are disabled, and verify the file type supports spell checking. If problems persist, reset preferences or reinstall the extension and test again. This usually clears corrupted settings. As a last resort, consult App Help for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.